Happy Friday, gems. Welcome to Vlogtober, day 11. Stay tuned. So here we are arriving at Maximo Park. It's one of my favorite parks because of the beauty and the quiet. So you're gonna find out why. So here we are, Maximo Park. Let's head inside, but upon arriving, I saw something on the left side, a bush that I had never seen before. Y'all know, I'm nosy, so I had to investigate what this plant was. Let's take a closer look. What is this, guys? I've never seen anything like this. What kind of berries are this? Whoa. Do you guys know what this is? Have you guys ever seen this bush before? Let me know in the comment section. What is that? What is that? The purple berries in Florida are the fruit of the American beauty berry, a native shrub with the scientific name Callicarpa americana. Here are some characteristics of the American beauty berry. The appearance: it is a shrub that can grow about 3 to 8 feet tall and 4 to 8 feet wide. It is round, spreading, or a vase shaped. The leaves are simple, ovate, and have a serrate margin. The flowers are lavender and bloom in the spring. The American beautyberry produces large clusters of round, fleshy, purple berries that are less than a half an inch long. The berries are white when they first appear, and gradually they turn purple. The American beautyberry is native to Florida's flat woods and hammocks. It can tolerate a range of soil types, including acidic, slightly alkaline, sand, loam, and clay. It prefers partial sun, but not too much sun because it can cause the plant to turn yellow, and too much shade can cause it to become leggy. The berries are edible. I didn't know that. And they can be turned into jams, jellies, and sorbets and tisanes. They can be used as an ingredient in meat sauces. The leaves can be used as an insect repellent. Hi guys, at my favorite place, walking down by the water and showing you the view. So you could come and have your lunch here and look at the view. If you're having your lunch, and come down here to this beautiful view. Look at this. There, I don't know if it got stuck there in the storm or what happened. Absolutely no idea, but it's a beautiful day nonetheless. guys see this? It's a blustery day too. Can't believe it's such a beautiful day today. I'm doing my rounds at the parks, just enjoying the vibes. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Thank you for tuning in to day 11 of Vlogtober. Shout out to my channel members, Boss Life Online, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, I Am Tracy Lee, Miss Nexie, and Boss Life Online. You want to be featured? Join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents.